Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Sathiyo and hello fellow sapiens, you are listening to More Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. I am making another video of a Malnad village, but this time around there is a difference. Most of the shots in this video are drone captures and hence you can enjoy a bird's eye view of a remote village in the western Ghats. We walked through the areca plantations and then crossed a small bridge called Sanka in the local language and then hiked the short flight of steps to reach the foothills of the hillock near a village. Let's now have a bird's eye view of the bridge that connects the areca plantations or the village to the adjacent hillock. A stream of water flows underneath this bridge usually, but since it is summers, the stream has grown so thin that it has become invisible. The view, however, I would say is splendid. We then embark on a very short trek after crossing the bridge to reach the hilltop. This is somewhere in the midway and you can spot the areca plantations in the valley in between the hillock and the village. This here seems to be some kind of an ant nest which attracted my attention on the way as many ants were walking in and out of it. Magnificent nature, isn't it? These few shots after crossing the bridge were taken on my phone, but don't get disheartened as all the upcoming shots are taken from the drone. Now let's enjoy the elevated view of nature captured from the drone. As you can notice here, there are hills all around and the valleys in between are all covered by areca plantations. I have tried a few moves on the drone, so now let's enjoy the same. If you are wondering why I make repeated videos of the Malnad villages, that's because my very roots are here and I love making videos of these places. Here is a magnificent view of the hill ranges. The boundaries of the areca plantations can be spotted in the valley down below. The drone is crossing the valley and heading towards the village where you can spot a few houses on the other side. As you can notice, the village houses are built on the other edge of the valley. The large trees that we can spot here behind the houses are on another hillock just behind the village. Magnificent view again, wouldn't you agree? The various hill ranges of the Malnad can be spotted here from this height at a hazy distance. We are flying our drone from this hillock that we are seeing down below. It was now time to return back home. I tried a new move where the drone swirls above the subject. Let me know in the comment section below if this looks good. Here's me and my better half trying to wave off to end the video, but hey, we had a surprise on our way back. We were lucky to spot a green wine snake after a very long time, which is very common in these areas. We also spotted a Malabar squirrel. Hope you liked this video. Request to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching till the end. Also, as I usually say, please pour down your emotions in the comment section below. Thank you.